1. The NFPA Standard 96 shall provide minimum fire safety requirements of A. All business that cook. B. All residential and private cooking operations. C. All public and private cooker operations. D. None of the above. C. All public and private cooking operations. PPE stands for A. Private protective equipment. B. Personal protective environment. C. Personal private enforcement. D. Personal protection equipment. D. Personal protection equipment. 3. What does EPA stands for? A. Environmental Property Association. B. Environmental Protection Association. C. Environmental Protection Agency. D. None of the above. C. Environmental Protection Agency.
4. One of the steps for a ladder inspection is A. Ensure rungs and steps are clean of oil, grease, and dirt. B. Spreaders or other locking devices are in place. C. Non-skid safety feet are in place. D. All of the above. D. All of the above. 5. Purpose of the NFPA Standard 96 shall be to reduce the A. Potential for fires in the kitchen. B. Potential fire hazard of cooking operations. C. Spread of fire through the restaurant. D. All of the above. B. Potential fire hazard of cooking operations. 6. Hoods, grease removal devices, fans, ducts, and other appurtenances should be cleaned to remove combustible contaminants for a minimum of 0.002 inches. A. True. B. False. A. True. 7. An organization, office, or individual responsible for enforcing the requirements code or standard is A. Authority having jurisdiction. B. The city council. C. The city fire department. D. All of the above. A. Authority having jurisdiction. A. After the exhaust system has been cleaned to NFPA standards, it should be coated with powder or other substance. A. True. B. False. B. False. 9. Exhaust hoods shall be constructed and supported by steel not less than MSG or stainless steel not less than MSG. A. 20 and 18. B. 16 and 18. C. 18 and 16. D. 18 and 20. D. 18 and 20. 10. Hood seams, joints, and penetrations shall have A. A grease-tight weld around it. B. A liquid-tight continuous external weld. C. A grease-tight continuous external weld. D. All of the above. B. A liquid-tight continuous external weld. 11. Which of the following is not a required piece of PPE? A. Goggles. B. Vest. C. Uniform shirt. D. Earplugs. C. Uniform shirt. 12. The distance between the grease removal device and cooking surface shall not be less than A. 21 inches. B. 18 inches. C. 4 feet. D. 16 inches. B. 18 inches. 13. When using a ladder to access a roof, the ladder must extend feet above the top support. A. 1 to 2 feet. B. 2 to 3 feet. C. 3 to 4 feet. D. None of the above. C. 3 to 4 feet. 14. The lockout tagout standard is designed to block the flow of energy to a piece of equipment. A. True. B. False. A. True. 15. Which air movement is a primary concern to a kitchen exhaust cleaner? A. Supply. B. Return. C. Transfer. D. Exhaust. E. Makeup. D. Exhaust. 16. Employees must be trained to know at least the following: A. When PPE is required. B. What PPE is required for the job. C. How to properly wear, remove, and maintain PPE. D. All of the above. D. All of the above. 17. What is the employee called that puts the lock and tag out on the system power source? A. The affected employee. B. The supervisor. C. The authorized employee. D. None of the above. C. The authorized employee. 18. According to NFPA 96 standard, solid fuel systems should be cleaned: A. Weekly. B. Bi-weekly. C. Monthly. D. Bi-monthly. C. Monthly. 19. When working with ladders, you should: A. Use tool belts or hand lines to carry equipment. B. Not lean out from the ladder. C. Not allow others to work under the ladder. D. All of the above. D. All of the above. 20. According to NFPA 96 standard, high volume cooking operations should be inspected: A. Quarterly. B. Monthly. C. Semi-annually. D. Annually. A. Quarterly.